Powerful and interesting video. Today I will take up the AdWork Media account. Today I will talk about the CPA marketing on AdWork Media platform. Okay, if you have account on AdWork Media or CPA Grip or CPAlead, all are same. Okay, these are all best affiliate network. The reason why I chosen AdWork Media today, because there are 3-4 gift card offers which I have been noticing, and these gift cards offers have been running on AdWork Media since a very long time. I think more than 1 year. I mean, more than 1.5 years. It's been on AdWork Media. That means they are converting very well, and they are the legit gift cards offers. So without wasting any time, let's just dive straight into the video. Please don't skip to the video. Watch this video till the end. Daily I am just dropping every video just for you guys to help you out, so that you can also earn through CPA marketing, okay, and become financial free. So I'm just helping you out, guys. Please focus on the strategy and show consistency. Okay, this is the dashboard. I mean, I have logged into adworkmedia.com. okay, this is the site AdWork Media. Okay, when you get this, when you get on this page, you need to select United States, the country. Okay, this is there. You will get the high paying offers and just click on filters. Okay, then you will get the list of offers. So you need to promote these offers which are converting very well and which have been on AdWork Media since a very long time. Okay, so these are the offers. See, best burger, this is the one which has been on AdWork Media since a very long time. eBay gift card, okay, grocery gift card, Google Pay gift card, Adidas gift card, Bank of America gift card. Okay, so these are the offers which will convert like crazy, and the best part of it is you will be getting $2.40 for every just sign up. Email submit is required, no survey. Okay, it might be a survey, okay, but email submit is required in most of the gift cards. See, for just email submit you will be getting $2.40 for just email submit. Okay, and if there would be a survey, there would only be a 1-page survey, that's it. Okay, so see, you need to promote these offers from AdWork Media. Google Play gift card, Adidas gift card, Bank of America gift card, okay, Apple Airports gift card. This was on MaxBounty. Okay, this was converting very well. This was on MaxBounty. I know this offer. It only requires email submit, that's it. Okay, there is no survey on this. If you focus on the Apple market, I mean the iPhone users, this will convert like crazy, and it is paying $2.40. So you need to promote any of these offers, 3-4 offers, and where you will get the traffic from. Every day I'm solving the traffic problem. You will get the traffic from the 2 websites. Number 1 is Rich Ads. Yesterday I showed you there it was a different traffic, Rich Push. This is Rich Ads, richads.com. okay, this is the richads.com. This is the website. It's very easy to set up a campaign, and it will require only $5 to $10 to run a campaign. Okay, it's very simple to set up everything. All right, see, 4.4+ billion ad impression every week, and it's been on 220 countries. 4 to 10% on this website, the traffic comes from US. Okay, we just need a pie of that traffic, because on these websites which I'm showing you, they have very less competition. A lot of people, they go to Facebook ads, they spend money, they spend a lot of money, and they don't get result, and they just give up. Okay, they just focus on Facebook ad, Google ads, like this, YouTube ads like this. They spend a lot of money and they don't get result. These are the websites, the hidden websites, push more notifications. Okay, just set up, create a campaign on this website and choose the mode mobile. Okay, always select mobile phone, because a lot of people are on the mobile phone. You will get crazy conversion on these websites. See, Target CPA and Smart CPC. Okay, this is the best for CPA offers. Okay, this is the best for CPA offers. I will tell you one more website that will work like crazy for CPA offers. Okay, this is the first one where you can just set up a campaign in a very affordable price. And the best part of it is, See, they block any bot or other fraudulent traffic. All the traffic you will be getting is high quality human traffic. Is high quality human traffic. So just set up a campaign on this website. Okay. Create an account on richads.com and start running a campaign of AdWork Media. Okay, this is the website which you need to go on, richads.com. Second website is known as edstera.com. This requires a little bit of investment, but trust me, okay, if you focus on this particular website and master this, seriously, you will get consistent income in CPA marketing. See, this is the website edstera.com. If you scroll it down, see, it has a presence of in 248 geos, 248 countries. They have a presence. You need to set up a campaign on this website and start focusing on the mobile device. Only mobile, not desktop. Start focusing on the mobile device. Okay. So focus on the mobile traffic, and I'll show you one thing. See, this is the best part of this website traffic. I mean, on this AdStar traffic. See, this website works crazy on dating offers, gambling offers, games, e-commerce, sweepstakes offers, binary, crypto, utility, pin submit. Okay, if you have a campaign of, I mean, pin submit, email submit, it comes under this. Okay, if you have a sweepstakes offer like win iPhone Pro, Apple AirPods, like this sweepstakes. So this website works really well for the kind of offers which you want. CPA grip offers, AdWork Media offers. See, all the offers which I showed you on AdWork Media and a gift card, Google Play gift cards, it comes under the sweepstakes. So this website works really well on the sweepstakes. And see, the model is CPA. See, this website works crazy, as I said, cost per action. So these are the websites which are made for CPA offers, and because that's why the super affiliates, they make crazy